In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OneDrive to N8n in just 5 minutes. Whether you're automating file backups or managing workflows, getting this connection right will open up a world of possibilities for streamlining your daily tasks. So let's dive in without further ado. First, you'll need to log into your N8n account. Go ahead and open up your web browser, navigate to the official N8n website, and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in and ready, find the option to create a new workflow. This is typically accessible from your dashboard, and it will be our starting point for integrating OneDrive with N8n. Give yourself a moment to have everything set up nicely before proceeding. Once you're on the workflow creation page, you'll want to add your first step. Look for a plus icon, which is typically used to signify adding something new, and click on it. This action will allow you to search for different trigger nodes and the services you want to connect. Now, in the search bar provided, type in OneDrive and press enter to initiate the search. You should see several results, but be sure to click on the option labeled Microsoft OneDrive. This selection is crucial as it ensures you're linking to the correct service provider. After selecting Microsoft OneDrive, you'll be asked to decide on a trigger. Choose On File Created. This particular trigger is very useful if you're looking to take action whenever a new file is added to your OneDrive account. Selecting this will make sure the workflow is initiated under the correct conditions. Next, you'll see a section labeled Credential to Connect with. Here, you must connect your Microsoft OneDrive account. Follow the prompts to log into your Microsoft account and ensure you grant the necessary permissions. This step is necessary for N8n to access OneDrive functionally. With your account connected, turn your attention to the Trigger On section. Here, you'll specify which OneDrive actions will activate your workflow. Take a careful look and decide which action suits your needs best. Now for the final step, you'll need to select an action to take once the trigger fires. Choose something that aligns with your workflow goals, like sending a notification or updating a database. Once you've set it all up, there's just one more thing to do. Click on the Fetch Test Event button. This action tests the workflow to ensure everything is set up correctly and that the integration is functional. And there you have it. That's how you connect OneDrive to N8n. It's a fast and straightforward process, but remember, this connection can be extremely powerful when used effectively. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips on how to streamline your digital life with N8n.